20 cents. Come on, Tesla, bounce. I really want to see this bounce here off the open too, guys. Part of me would, if I can see a quick bounce to like, above 274, I'm probably going to start a position there. If you can only afford to buy 1 or 2 contracts, guys, it's not worth your time to do that. Just wait right before the 270 break. That's kind of where I'll signal and that I'm adding to the position. But this could easily open up and just die, and I'm going to have to miss that trade. So ideally, and if we go straight down right off the open, guys, all I'm looking for is this to kind of trickle down, does whatever it wants, bounce back up. If it retests 270 and then starts failing and starts rolling back over, that's our trade, right? So no reason to get caught on the open trying to force it when even if it does break, there's still a trade here for us. A break and retest of 270 is what I'll be looking for. Come on, Tesla, 20 cents away. We got 2 minutes. Please don't break. Please don't break. Please bounce. But yeah, I mean, guys, we may even see 250 on Tesla here in the next day. I see that the poly market odds of a recession are going up. I don't think we're going to get into a recession, but I hope this was in Trump's playbook. All right, a minute 20. Be ready. I have the 260 puts. Some of y'all are probably going to be better off going 250 puts. They'll be a little bit cheaper. Again, IV is really high. It says 89% on Interactive Brokers. It says 101% on Thinkorswim. So Thinkorswim's honestly better for IV. So I mean, this is almost like these are like earnings number contracts, right? Like when earnings comes around, IV goes up. That's pretty much what we're looking at right now, which kind of sucks, but that's just part of it. That's sometimes why I like trading the downside, is because if you can get in before some big downside moves, IV will go up. But all right, guys, 20 seconds here. Please give us a bounce, Tesla. That's all I'm asking for. That's all I want. Ten seconds. 3 seconds. Bounce a little bit. Nice. I'll take that. Rejected right away. Wow, man. I'm in literally one contract, guys. Just taking that on that green or red candle is all I wanted to see. Let's see, what did I get a fill at? 585. A bounce is totally fine. I still want to see a bounce, so I can add to the position if I need to. That was pretty crazy. I bounced straight up and then went right for the low of the day. This is, I think, where I'm going to start adding to a position up here. Market's not really bouncing. I just added. I don't want to see this go above 275. I just brought my average down really nice. Still in pretty small, guys. I may add if we get back to that low of the day, but I just want to be light size on this. Let's see. What are those 250s? Those 250 only $300. That's good. Nice rejection there right off VWAP, coming right back down to the low of the day. Still positioned really light, so I can let it bounce around a little bit. I want to see this 270 break it taken out. See, we got about a 130,000 wall there. So that's good. It's going to bring some volume into this. I'm green. Market selling off here. Just got to rip Tesla through 270 and we're gone. If I see one more aggressive candle to the downside, I'm going to add one last contract. Only down about 10% here. Nice rejection on VWAP. Look at that, guys. I want to see this flip through. If this can go green to red, that's going to be awesome. Still 20 seconds. Look at that green to red candle. Market's still selling off. I think it's totally fine Tesla's taking his time like that. Every time we've popped up here, we've kind of gotten pushed straight back down. This will be a good opening range break. I kind of like how it's stalling out a little bit. Still in small size. My average is 560. So I'm green right here. Break even. One push here through 271, guys, and I think we're gone. Market's still selling off here. I want to see Tesla start slipping pretty soon. I may just use a 275 level as a stop loss because I can always get back in this. So keep that in mind. As long as we can stay under this, I'm going to stay in the trade. We're still holding under VWAP. Market's still weak. We just got to get rid of all these dip buyers here. We might be golden here because we still have that gap down at 255. These contracts are gaining value. Gonna give it a second here at 275. Testing it. We're kind of retesting that low from 2 days ago. Little rejection there. That's what I want to see. I don't like how we're still pushing. Market is bouncing, though. Don't have a ton of volume on it as well. We're just retesting that older support level. I hope you guys are sizing small. The bigger ad will come on when we rip straight back to that low of the day. Like once we get under 271 again, that's where I'll add the rest of that position. Other than that, I can kind of give it this room here. This is right where I wanted to see it reject this morning. Just got to be patient now. Still rejecting 275. See if we can get back under VWAP here. All I'm looking for is a nice little volume candle that comes straight back through VWAP. And then obviously see the market roll back over. It's a little bit premature to this trade, but when I saw that opening candle bounce, $2, $3 and then get rejected that hard, I wanted to try it with that one contract. Still at 275. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of this position. Now I just wait. I'm really surprised at that. Market's going for a tie of the day. SPY is still down about 0.75%. NQ is down 0.4%. NVIDIA, let's see, where did NVIDIA go? Wow, straight up to 115. This may have just been the dip by day. I don't know. Yeah, I'm still bearish on this. So if we do get this next entry, guys, like this next trade is going to be a lot more high odds. And that's where I'd actually have like a real position on it. I'm not going to just take little tiny stabs at it on this bounce. Seeing just a little bounce here on SPY and NQ, that's fine. Just be patient here. If we can get this trade the right way, it's going to be awesome. Just got to wait for it to fail. I still think we're going to get this one. But we'll see. If it gets above 280, probably not. But I think anywhere up in this area, if we can just kind of stall out and fail here, kind of through this little tiny uptrend I have, back through 275, this could drop in one candle and just boom. So I'm just going to be patient. Just wait for it. Other than that, I think everything else is just kind of either chopping around or just slowly bouncing up. You can see Tesla's kind of starting to slow down. Nice little rollover here. We're right at this uptrend. Let's see what happens. This is where I wanted to see it start just folding over. Right at 275 again. Let's see if we can take this out. Here we go. Just broke 275 there for a second. VWAP's right under that. So I want to see I could take it out too. Look at the market. SPY, NQ, big rejection. Come on, I want to see VWAP just get destroyed here. Contracts are back to 5. My entry is going to be right when 271 gets taken out. If I can see 271 break, I'm just going to be in right before 270. Obviously, I'm going to be sized more than I was up here. I think I had like 2 or 3 contracts. I'm going to be looking for, 5, 6 contracts kind of thing on it. This is where I want to see them just get smacked. If everything just gets pushed straight back down, it's going to, anyone trying to buy this dip, they're going to have stop losses under that low of the day. And if that gets taken out, we're gone. Here we go. Market's still folding over here. Got to see VWAP get taken out. We just bounced right off that at 274. Here we go. Still coming back down. Nice. 274 about to get taken out. Broke on the bid, broke on the ask. Nice. This is where it's got to start slipping. I want to see some aggressive selling here and a close under VWAP. Beautiful. Come on, close under, close under. 5 seconds. This will be huge if we close under. Nice. Come on, Tesla, you got it. 560, 570 a contract here. So kind of right around where we're entering. Keep coming. Not going to try to force it up here, guys. We could easily bounce, right? This little tiny area here from like 273. Whoops. Like 273 to 271.50 is a little demand zone here. I mean, if you want to get in and give it like a VWAP stop loss, you could do that, but I think this is about to slip. So I'd rather just be safe and get in right as we break 271. Ideally, this candle can kind of bounce and go green to red, flip right through 271, and I'll be in. Futures are dying here. Still waiting. Still waiting. Let me check that wall out. Wall got bigger. Here we go. New low on SPY. NQ hasn't made a new low yet. This thing looks like it's ready to die. Still haven't broken 271. 5 cents off. All right. If I can see if I can see this reject again and come back down, I'll be in. I didn't get in on that break. Wow, that saved me. Back to VWAP here. Market did just bounce. No news. It's still only 944. This is where this would be a great spot for this to reject. I may even just grab one here. And just give it a 274 stop loss. If we can see a big topside wick, this will be beautiful. Especially this can go from green to red. It's going to just smack that 270 wall and be gone. There we go. A little relief bounce and then a roll straight back over. Just helps this setup even more. Two-minute chart looks great, guys. This is a perfect opening range break in my eyes. Back under 272. This looks so good. Wait for 271 one last time here, guys. Market's rolling back over. Look at this 2-minute chart. This big wick up here is awesome. If you want to do your early entries and whatever, you can up here. To me, stop loss would be just above VWAP. Other than that, I'm looking for a break under 270. All it's going to take is one. It's just got to give up for one candle. It's going to be great. Another little bounce. That's fine as long as we stay under VWAP. I think this trade's still intact. Seen a little bounce here on futures. Retesting VWAP here. This is risky, but I may start my position on something like this. Part of me wants to just wait for that 271 break. So, I mean, really, the low of this candle here is all I'm looking for right here. 270 and like 60 cents. That's the safest entry here for me. But, you know, obviously you're more prone to taking a loss up here. But if you can grab, you know, if you're to the point where you can grab 1 or 2 contracts early, this would be where I'd want to do it. Projecting right off VWAP here, about 540 a contract. They were just down about 640. I think I'm gonna get one. Let's see if I can get like 274 again. If not, I'll wait. Look at this big rejection again. We just got to slip harder. NQ and SPY bounced. You know, they're still kind of chopping around. So they're up near their high. So if they can all reject and come back for the low of the day, that may be all Tesla needs here. Still sitting right here at VWAP again. Just waiting to see if NQ and SPY can reject and go back for their lows. We can see that. I think we're golden. I don't remember seeing any news this morning we needed to be worried about. Yeah, I don't see anything. Tomorrow there's a little bit. I would switch to a 2-minute chart as well. I'm looking at the 260 puts, KC. NQ tried to pop for its high of the day, got rejected. SPY just kind of still in its relief bounce here. If we reject solid here and come back for the low of the day, that's going to solidify a downtrend here. It's going to put in a lower high, and then that's it. This is over with. That's awesome right there. Be patient. I think we should see this any minute here. This chop just sucks. It's hard. You can get chopped up really easily. $271.50, 40, 30, 25. Little bounce, 25. I think we're going to see this any second here. As long as we don't get a big bounce on futures, this is ready to go. Come on, Tesla. I'm in. About to break. Broke. Oh my, look at that. Sold half. I want to see some more continuation on this. This is a pretty nice setup here. I'm at a half, though, for profit. Keep going. I at least want to see 268 here, guys. I want to be patient. We got 20 seconds left on this 1-minute candle. Again, I'm watching the 2-minute chart. There we go. There we go. Keep going. Market's still slipping here. Going to sell some more on this 268 break. Come on, slip. Little bounce in the market. Still trying to be patient with this one, guys. There we go. 30 cents, 14. Just break 68, and I'm selling. New low coming out in NQ and SPY. Teslas can't seem to go lower here. I don't really like to see that. We closed under on the 1 minute chart. I'd like to see this. Even if it just sits under 270, to me, that's still fine. Sometimes you got to give this a minute or two, then it'll give up. Back under 69 for a second there. This is kind of a break and retest of 270. That's why I want to try to give it a second. But again, I already sold half for great profit there. Nice rejection. Look at that. Look at that. Green to red. Back under 269. That's why you got to give it a second to kind of retest 270. I'm going to switch to a 1 minute chart here. Yeah, that looks great. Just looking for another new low here, guys. I'll be out. Come on, keep going. Still holding under 270, just like I want. Market's still nice and weak. You could see another dollar candle here. We're getting so close. 50 cents, 30 cents, 25 cents, 14, 4, broke, selling a little more. Still don't think that's the right break. NQ still hasn't made a real new low yet. SPY is the one really giving up. Come on. There we go. Just got my last little runner left. Still have it. I'm looking for like at least 267.50. But I'm at 80% of my position, guys. So I'm done. Market may bounce here, so that I may just need to get out of this. I still just haven't really seen that slippage that I wanted to see. I've seen, many times Tesla will break and it'll just kind of consolidate under the level and then it'll give up, 4 or 5 minutes later. That's kind of what I'm looking for here. Market hasn't really bounced fully yet. I want you to see what I'm looking at here, though. Like looking at NQ right here. So look at the difference here. I just sent a screenshot in of NQ, and then look at SPY. SPY's made the new low over and over again. NQ is not. So to me, that's not a positive for at least for this Tesla trade. Back above 270. All right, I'm cutting that last one. That was pretty solid, guys. Who caught that? That made up for my loss for sure. That first loss. Good job, guys. That was a little tricky there. I felt a little guilty for being too early on that, but that was kind of just muscle memory. I just kind of said that I was in with that one contract and I probably shouldn't have on that first candle of the day, but I did. So that's why I told you guys. I still think there's more in this, but whatever. I'll take my 550. Wyatt, did you retrade that or no? Even with a loss of 300 to start the day, came back and I'm plus 558 now. So see, guys, it's just a form of risk management. Early on, light size. If it sets up longer, that's where you can size up. And it should just pay you back. Look at this, guys. We still haven't closed above 270 here on a 1 minute chart. So this may keep going lower, but I don't like this chop. I don't like this market. So I'm going to take what it gave me there. It's a bit tricky, but yeah, Duco, watch out. Let's see. Yeah, not the easiest trade in the world, but I don't know. I feel like it was pretty self-explanatory. At the end of the day, this is kind of what I talked about pre-market over and over again. Wanting to see a bounce up into these levels, see it fail, look to play the new low of the day. You know, there's some chop, got chopped a little bit off the open. But you know, overall, I still and honestly, this didn't move nearly as much as I thought. I thought that we could be at 265 by now, but and honestly, I think we still are. The way it's holding under 270, it's about to just the floor is going to be ripped out from under it, but um, still worked. Rolling back over here. What else is going on? Where's Nvidia? Nvidia's up at 113, 114. I wanted to see that come down to 100. I was going to buy a ton. Google not doing much. I'm really sad about snow. We never got that snow gap fill trade. Tesla's about to make a new low here. This might be where it gives up. Watch this. New low. It's got to get some more volume in it. Look, volume spiked a little bit there. To me, just still not enough. Yeah, I'm greeny. What about you? I'm sure you shorted this, right? Yeah, new low spot. Jeez. NQ is just still holding up a little much. Nice. Ooh, the bounce, huh? Interesting. New low, NQ, new low, SPY. Now Tesla's going to go. Look, it's 845 of effing contract. It kills me. That's what it was waiting on right there. Was that, and we got 10 a.m. news, if there's any. That's the move I was looking for. Just got out a little early. I don't know what just made SPY and NQ do that, but it's kind of lucky, I guess. I don't know. Yep. Man, that's crazy. No, Wyatt, you're trading too big of contracts. All right, well, we hit that 265 level on that. Looks like Nvidia is rolling back over 112. Coinbase is under $200 a share. That's pretty wild. Google come back down. Bitcoin's obviously down. Shrev, you took the SPX puts. This is pretty crazy. Seeing a little bounce here, but Man. Yeah, I'm done. Definitely could have made some more today. Hate that we got stopped out on that first like kind of starter position, but um I wasn't gonna miss that with no size. Oh, you did the 250 puts on Tesla or did you trade SPX? Are the two Tesla's up 277%? Jeez. Yeah, I bet those 250s move like crazy. I mean, I think what was our entry like six something? Our first entry was like, I don't know, 580, 560, something like that. They're at $889 a contract right now. So that's 60% ish or something. New low. Look at that. Man, I hate that I missed out on the second half of the move, which I wanted, but I don't trust this market very much. So I'd rather just take that and move on. Sucks to miss out on it, but could have easily bounced, right? Look at that go. Well, you guys that made some money on that, send those profits in. Tag me. Like I said, not the easiest trade in the world, but I think it was pretty self-explanatory. At least the levels were clear. I thought it was going to be a much cleaner trade, but thanks, Boogie. 112.30 on NVIDIA, and Snow's going under 170. That sucks. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty much done for the day. So I'm playing. Yeah, we did all right. Duca, how cold is it right now? Yeah, probably negative something. Not cold at 30. Wow. Yeah, nice for y'all. Shoot, it's been I've been at the pool. It's been 80. Yeah, we may keep going lower, honestly. The way this is moving, I mean, I either see things bouncing up slowly or it's just going to bleed out. I don't really know that but obviously that's the only two ways the stuff can go. But I don't know. I don't trust anything with this market right now. I don't want to force it. If I can come in, catch a trade early on the first 30 minutes and leave, I'm happy with that. I think this is a paradise for people that want to sit at their desk all day and overtrade and lose money. It's just they're going to do it over and over and over again. So This is a great time for y'all to practice risk management and just discipline. Take the quality trades, move on, let the market do whatever it wants. If it doesn't go toward your plan, move on. Don't take the trade. Nice, Ian. Yeah, if you're up this morning, take it. Let's get out of here. I think that even though things have come down day after day, and you can consider that pretty clear, I think that it's not as clear as you think because it's just based on news, right? Market could come down, down, down. And then let's say that these tariffs kind of get reversed and they make a deal with China, right? Oh, if you're swinging something, especially overnight, I mean, we could be down 2% one day, then up 2%, the next. So again, I really advise you all to just be rather safe than sorry. Oh my God, that picture's so bad. I gotta fix that. That's pretty funny. 73% profit. Scott, that's what I like to see. I know you're new to the coaching side, right? I love to see that, dude. Great job. Throw those profits in. Yeah, Shrev, thanks for being here, dude. Great job. Well, I'm pretty much done for the day. I'll still hang out for a little bit longer, but I don't see anything else that feel like I miss other than that SPX trade you guys had. At least on the mega cap names that I traded, I didn't see anything. Nice, Chris M. Well, what else you guys have for me? Any other questions? Any other tickers? Meta just broke 630. Jeez. 2,500%. That's unreal. That's crazy. Well, guys, happy Tuesday. Let's see. Sorry, 1 sec. I'm doing something. All right. Let's see. Streams. Yeah, here we go. This SPX trades be going crazy. Yeah, the poly market odds, Geo, have gone up on if we're gonna go into a recession or not. Anyone have some plans for spring break next week? Those of you that still have spring break. I knew that was coming. Yeah, I guess it's my last spring break ever. Above 30. Wow. Well, guys, I'm probably going to wrap it up here in a couple minutes. Are there any questions y'all have for me before I go? I do have a free lesson tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern time, which is the new norm on Tuesdays. What else here? The next stream is going to be technical analysis group session with Coach Jasmine. I'm guessing that's still on for today. It's going to be at 11 a.m. Eastern. Here in about 45 minutes. And then at 1 o'clock today, you have the PBUG's meeting as well. At 2 o'clock Eastern. Sweet. All right. Well, I hate to cut it early, but your boy's got a test here later today that he has not studied a single second for. So I'm going to take my money and run, and I'll see you guys. I'll be at my desk pretty much all day until around market close. And and then that's it. So I'll see you guys tonight. All right, everybody. Have a good one. If you need me, I'll be here. Adios. Yeah, thank you guys.